Hello everyone and welcome. And today we are going to look at days of the week in Luganda. Days of the week in Luganda. Ennaku za wiiki mu Luganda. Ennaku za wiiki mu Luganda. So, do you want to know how days of the week are called in Luganda? Oyagala okumanya ennaku za wiiki we baziyita mu Luganda? Stick around. So let's start. Okay. In Luganda, the days of the week are 7. In Luganda, the days of the week are 7. Mu Luganda, ennaku za wiiki ziri musanvu. In Luganda, ennaku za wiiki ziri musanvu. As of that, in English, era nga we ziri mu Luzungu. For example, in English, the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so how are these called? How are these days called in Luganda? How are these days called in Luganda? Zino ennaku tuzisoma tutya mu Luganda olutuufu? Zino ennaku za wiiki tuzisoma tutya mu nnaku? Zino ennaku za wiiki tuzisoma tutya mu Luganda olutuufu? So let's start. Monday. Monday. And Monday in Luganda is Kazooba. 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 So Monday in Luganda is Kazooba. Tuesday. 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 In Luganda, Tuesday is Walumbe. 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 So, if you want to tell someone like, I will come on Tuesday, you can say, Inze nja kujja ku Walumbe. Oba, Inze nja kujja ku lunaku lwa Walumbe. So, in Luganda, Tuesday is called Walumbe. Okay, let's proceed. Wednesday. 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 Wednesday in Luganda is Mukasa. 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 So Wednesday in Luganda is Mukasa. Thursday. Thursday. So Thursday in Luganda is Chiwanuka. Thursday in Luganda is Chiwanuka. 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 Okay, so let's go on. Friday. 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 Friday in Luganda is Nagawonye. 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 So Friday in Luganda is Nagawonye. The next day is Saturday. 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 Saturday in Luganda is Wamunyi. 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 Can you repeat that? Wamunyi. Again. Wamunyi. Okay. Wamunyi. Wamunyi. Saturday is Wamunyi. So Sunday. Sunday. Sunday in Luganda is Wangu. 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 Sunday in Luganda is Wangu. There's a difference between Wamunyi and Wangu. So don't confuse Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is Wangu. Saturday is Wamunyi. Wamunyi, Wangu. Okay, those are the real week names in Luganda. Zezo engeri tuyitamu yeyo engeri tuyitamu ennaku za wiiki mu Luganda olutuufu. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've learned something. Ndowooza oyizeemu ebintu mu lesson ya leero. At Benny Benny, we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Weraba.